I spent 40 hours comparing 3 major network marketing companies. I analyzed startup costs, monthly expenses, compensation plans, and realistic earning potential at every rank. What I found shocked me. One company requires 3 times the monthly investment. Another pays better at the top but is nearly impossible to reach. And the third? Well, let me show you the numbers. By minute 4, you'll know exactly which company gives you the best chance of actually making money. Not the hype, just math. Let's start with what it actually costs to get in. LiveGood. $9.95 per month membership. No startup kit required. You can start with just the membership and add products as you want. Total first month? As low as $10 if you skip products initially. Melaleuca. No membership fee sounds good, right? But here's the catch. $35.99 monthly product commitment. You must order this amount every month to stay active. Plus they push starter kits around $150 to $200. First month realistic cost? $180 to $235. Amway. Registration fee $64. Starter kit recommended. Runs $100 to $200 depending on package. Monthly personal volume requirement to earn bonuses pushes you toward $100 to $150 monthly. First month cost? $164 to $264. Winner on startup costs? LiveGood by a huge margin. You're in for $10 versus $164 to $264 with the others. Now, ongoing costs. This is where companies get you. LiveGood. $9.95 monthly membership. Products optional but recommended. Realistic monthly spend if you're using products? $40 to $70 total. Melaleuca. Mandatory $35.99 monthly. No way around it. You don't order, you lose your business. Plus they incentivize ordering more for qualification. Realistic monthly? $60 to $100. Amway. To maintain active status and qualify for bonuses, you need personal volume. This typically means $100 to $150 in monthly purchases. Their products are premium priced, so this adds up. 6-month comparison. LiveGood. $240 to $420 total. Melaleuca. $360 to $600 total. Amway. $600 to $900 total. That's a $200 to $480 difference over 6 months. That matters when you're starting out. This is where it gets interesting. How much can you actually earn? LiveGood uses a binary plan. Build 2 teams, left and right. You earn when both sides produce volume. Weekly pay cycle. Fast start bonuses available. Bronze rank. Realistic first month earnings? $50 to $100. Silver rank. Realistic earnings? $200 to $500 monthly. Gold rank? $500 to $1,000 monthly. Melaleuca uses unilevel. You build directly underneath you, earn on multiple levels. Slower growth but potentially stable. Director level, first few months? $100 to $300 monthly. Senior director? $400 to $800. Takes longer to build but residual income focus. Amway uses breakaway system. You build, then groups break away and you earn overrides. Complex but powerful at the top. Platinum, which takes most people years to hit, $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. But getting there, most people earn under $200 monthly for the first year. Here's the reality check. First 6 months average earnings. LiveGood, $75 to $300 monthly. Melaleuca, $100 to $250 monthly. Amway, $50 to $150 monthly but subtract your monthly costs. LiveGood net, positive $5 to $230 monthly. Melaleuca net, $40 to $150 monthly. Amway net, negative $50 to $0 monthly. LiveGood puts you in profit faster. Let's talk products because this matters for retention. LiveGood. Quality supplements at wholesale pricing. Multivitamin comparable to quality retail brands. Member price around $20 versus $50 retail. Good value proposition for customers. Melaleuca. Concentrated products, eco-friendly angle. Higher quality in many categories. Tea tree oil products are their strength. Price point mid to high range. Amway. Neutralite is their premium supplement brand. Top tier quality, premium pricing. Energy drinks, skincare lines. Quality is excellent, but expensive. For value to customer. LiveGood wins on price. Amway wins on premium quality. Melaleuca sits middle ground. So which one should you choose? Best for beginners. LiveGood. Low startup, low monthly, fast to profit. If you're new to network marketing, this gives you the best learning opportunity without massive investment. Best for experienced builders. Still depends, but Amway has the highest earning potential at the top. If you can build large teams, the breakaway system pays well. But it takes years. Best for product-focused builders, Melaleuca. If you genuinely love the products and want recurring customer orders, their model works well. Overall winner for most people starting today? LiveGood. Math doesn't lie. Lower costs, faster to profit, simpler plan. Drop a comment with which company you're considering or currently with. If this comparison helped, subscribe for more network marketing breakdowns. See you in the next one.